rooftops covered with soft blankets of snow, adorned by translucent icicles that glisten in the light. It's the kind of scene that holiday cards are inspired by and warm winter dreams are made of. Cozy nights by the fire and exhilarating days on the slopes are only a couple of ways we celebrate this beautiful time of the year. But for many property owners, the damage caused by those snow-covered roofs and glistening icicles that paint such a perfect picture, celebrating is the last thing they want to do.
During the wintertime, snow accumulates on the roof surfaces, sometimes as much as 4 to 6 feet. When that occurs, the snow acts as an insulation blanket. Heat from inside the house transfers through the insulation to the roof surface. Snow melt occurs at that point, under the snow. The snow melt runs down the roof line and forms icicles and ice dams at the eave of the roof where it refreezes. These icicles can create severe safety hazards when they're located over decks, walkways, and driveways. The ice dams that form create water ponding behind it. The water ponding that occurs finds its way down through the places in the roof, causing severe water damage to the home. Therefore, it's important to eliminate the icicle and ice dams in these locations.
In addition to the structural damage, icicle formations over walkways, decks, and driveways cause safety hazards, as well as ice dams that can loosen and fall away, causing injuries and, in severe cases, death. During the winter months, homeowners spend countless hours, many times with futile results, trying to remove icicles and ice dams. While zigzag heating cable mounted on the eaves of a home can be somewhat effective, it is not aesthetically pleasing and requires ongoing maintenance. From hotels to condominiums and apartments and residential homes, general contractors, architects, and property owners are benefiting from roof ice melt solutions called RIM systems. Designed and engineered to be a one-time, maintenance-free, long-term solution to roof icicle and ice dam problems, they've been applied to over 1,200 buildings.
The roof ice melt system was developed and patented in 1993. The roof ice melt system, or RIM system, has 3 basic components. The first component is an extrusion that fits on the roof eave. The extrusion has a slot system in it for accommodating the self-regulating cable. The second part is the self-regulating cable that fits in the slots. It's a UL approved product, and it provides the heat to prevent the ice from forming on the eve. The third part is a rim cover panel, which is made out of copper or aluminum, and it fits over the extrusion and heating cable to provide a defined pattern of heat transfer. The system then prevents all the icicles and ice dams from forming on the eaves.
Depending on the size of the home, a typical installation can range from $2,000 to $5,000. The system can be controlled in 2 different ways. With an ambient sensor, which limits operation only to those hours when the ambient temperature falls below 34 degrees, saving money, to a high-efficiency, programmed controller, monitoring the actual temperature of the rim panels and limiting their power output to a predetermined level, saving even more money.
The RIM system can be controlled with an ambient sensing thermostat. When the temperature falls below freezing and there's snow on the roof, the RIM system turns on and keeps the snow melting. The second method is a high-efficiency solid-state control system. This limits the amount of energy into the system based on ambient temperature. As much as 30% can be saved on annual operating costs using this special control panel.
From heavy snowfall areas to lighter snowfall areas, there are different systems designed to meet the specific needs of each area. With no icicles hanging over walkways, decks, and driveways, and roofs that are free from ice dams, homeowners can spend more time enjoying the snow.
Well, the RIM system has been a wonderful addition for us that we added about 4 years ago, and it allows us to be assured and comfortable that we're not going to have leaking, icicles form that are a danger to your guests when they fall, and to our grandchildren. So it's been one of the best additions we've ever made to our home.
To find out more, call toll-free 1-888-313-5666 or visit the website at www.bylinusa.com.